Hello kids, very good morning you all. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution Online Classes, Lils Vagia Preschool. Today's date is 25th July 2020 and day is Saturday. Hey kids, as you all know that we start our class with English recitation. So kids, stand up on your place, put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem. You all have to repeat after me with actions. So kids, today in English rhyme, we are going to recite Mama Darling. So kids, let's start. Mama Darling, Mama Darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby smiling, see your baby smiling. Just for you, just for you. Papa darling, Papa darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby smiling, see your baby smiling. Just for you, just for you. Let's revise it again. Mama darling, Mama darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby smiling, see your baby smiling. Just for you, just for you. Papa darling, Papa darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby smiling, see your baby smiling. Just for you, just for you. So kids, learn it and revise it. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your English oral class. So kids, as you all know, in orals you don't have to write anything in your notebooks. So kids, you have to repeat after me. Today in English oral we are going to do revision. So kids, today in English we are going to do the revision of AM words, UN words, AP words like this. We are going to revise some words, how you have to read these words. So kids, let's start. Number 1, cat, C-A-T, cat. But in phonetics, how you will read? Cat. Number 2, M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. But in phonetics, how you will read? Mat. Then G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. But in phonetics, how you will read? Gap. Next, C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. But in phonetics, how you will read? Can. Next, S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. But in phonetics, how you will read? Sa-ana, sun. Sa-ana, sun. So kids, like this, you have to read these words. Let's try it again. Cat, ma-ata, mat, ga-apa, gap, ka-ana, can, sa-ana, sun. Let's try it again. C-A-T, cat, M-A-T, mat, G-A-P, gap, C-A-N, can, S-U-N, sun. So kids, learn it and revise it. Thank you. Hello kids, this is your English written class. So kids, check out your English notebook, open a page where I have done the setting of 25th July 2020 and day is Saturday. So kids, today in English we are going to do the exercise complete the word. Kids, I have given you some words, incomplete words. You have to fill and complete the words. Let me For example, I have written C dash T. So here what will come? Here will come CAT, means cat. So like this you have to fill the gap and complete the word. So kids, let's start. Open a notebook. Number 1 is C dash T. Then what will come here? A. CAT, cat. In phonetics, what you will read? Ka, cat. Then second number, M dash T. What will come here? A. MAT, mat. In phonetics, what you will read? Ma, mat. Kids, which figure is this? Gap. So here, what you have to write? What you will write to complete your word? G. GAP, gap. In phonetics, what you will read? Gap. Now come here. Which figure is this? Can. So here, what you will write to complete your word? CAN, can. So write here N. CAN, can. Next, which figure is this? Sun. So here, what you will write to complete your word? U. SUN, sun. So kids, today what we have done in English? We have done complete the word. Kids, you have to do this work by yourself in class work. And kids, turn your page. See, I have given you one homework, that is A to Z. Kids, look it very carefully. You have to write only capital alphabets. Means you have to write Mama A to Mama Z. You don't have to write baby A to baby Z. You have to write only Mama A to Mama Z. Okay kids? So here you have two works to do in English. Number 1 is your class work and number 2 is your homework. That you have to do it by yourself. So kids, complete your work and thank you. Hey kids, it's time for Hindi recitation. So kids, stand up on your place, put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem. You all have to repeat after me with actions. So kids, today in Hindi rhyme, we are going to recite a song, Ek Madari. So kids, let's start. Ek Madari, laya bhalu. Ek Madari, लाया भालू, नाम था उसका मोटा कालू, नाम था उसका मोटा कालू, लंबे लंबे उसके बाल, धीमी धीमी उसकी चाल, लंबे लंबे उसके बाल, धीमी धीमी उसकी चाल, एक मदारी लाया भालू, नाम था उसका मोटा कालू, जब मदारी जैसे चाहे डमरू बजाकर उसे नचाए, डमरू बजाकर उसे नचाए, डमरू बाजे डम डम डम, भालू नाचे छम छम छम, डमरू बाजे डम डम डम, भालू नाचे छम छम छम. Kids, I hope you all have enjoyed this song. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your Hindi oral class. बच्चों, आज हिंदी ओरल क्लास में हम लोग आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द पढ़ेंगे. जैसा आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, हिंदी ओरल में आपको कुछ भी अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना नहीं होता है. आज हम लोग इसमें मैं आपको जो भी पढ़ाऊंगी आपको उसको साथ में दोहराना है. तो आज हम लोग हिंदी में क्या करेंगे? आ की मात्रा वाले कुछ शब्द पढ़ेंगे. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. आम, आम, राम, राम, चार, चार. बच्चों, ये जो होता है इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? इसको आ पढ़ते हैं. ये कौन सी मात्रा होती है? ये आ की मात्रा होती है, इसलिए हम लोग उसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? आ पढ़ते हैं. आम, आम, राम राम, चार चार, सात सात, रात रात, आठ आठ, नाम नाम, कान कान, हाथ हाथ। तो चलिए बच्चों इसको फिर से दोहराते हैं। आम राम, चार सात, रात आठ, नाम कान हाथ। तो बच्चों इसको अच्छे से पढ़िएगा और इनको याद करिएगा और आगे मात्रा कुछ और शब्द आप अपने आप से पढ़िएगा। धन्यवाद। Hello kids, this is your Hindi written class. So kids, take out your Hindi notebook, open a page where I have done the setting of 25th July 2020 and day is Saturday. Kids, in Hindi today what we are going to do? आज हिंदी में हम लोग आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द करेंगे। आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द हम लोग पहले पढ़ चुके हैं ना, तो आज हम लोग कुछ और नए शब्द करेंगे आ की मात्रा के। ठीक है बच्चों, जैसे छोटा आ से अनार होता है ना, तो बड़े आ से आम में एक स्टिक लगती है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? आ पढ़ते हैं। तो चलिए उसी की मात्रा के कुछ शब्द पढ़ते हैं। पहला है, आप सबको भी लिखना है, आम। कैसे लिखा है? ये कौन सी मात्रा है बच्चों? इसको आ की मात्रा पढ़ते हैं। जब हम किसी चीज का साउंड लंबा पढ़ते हैं, जैसे आम राम, तो पीछे से जब आ निकलता है तो हम लोग ये वाली मात्रा लगाते हैं। ठीक है, पहला क्या लिखा है उन्होंने? आम आम। अब दूसरा है राम राम। क्या बन गया बच्चों? राम राम। अब इसके बाद क्या लिखेंगे? चार चार। क्या बन गया बच्चों? चार। इसको चार क्यों पढ़ेंगे? क्योंकि हमने इसमें आ की मात्रा लगाई है, इसमें एक स्टिक लगाई तो क्या बन जाएगा? चारा। पर हमें चारा नहीं लिखना है, हमें क्या लिखना है? चार। तो ये क्या पढ़ेंगे हम लोग? चार। चार के बाद सात। देखिए, सा बनाइए, आ की मात्रा और ता, क्या बन गया? सात। अब इसके बाद लिखेंगे रात। रा बना के ये मात्रा लगा देंगे, ता बना देंगे, क्या बन गया? रात। अब लिखिए आठ। क्या बन गया? आठ। बच्चों आ की मात्रा जब ये लगी होती है तो उसको हम लोग आ पढ़ते हैं। इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? आ पढ़ते हैं। जैसे कि सात। चलिए फिर से दोहराते हैं। आम आम, राम राम, चार चार, सात सात, रात रात, आठ आठ। तो बच्चों आज हम लोगों ने हिंदी में 6 आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द करे हैं। बच्चों ये आपका क्लास वर्क है और यही आपको होमवर्क है, और होमवर्क में आपको अपनी तरफ से शब्द लिखने होंगे। आप इन्हीं को अपने होमवर्क में राइट मत करिएगा, आप अपनी तरफ से कुछ शब्द आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द लिखिएगा अपनी नोटबुक में। धन्यवाद। Hey kids, this is your maths written class. So kids, take out your maths notebook, open a page where I have done the setting of 25th July 2020 and day is Saturday. Kids, today in maths we are going to do skip counting 2. मतलब what is mean by skip? Skip का मतलब होता है बच्चों इस चीज को लेफ्ट कर देना, छोड़ देना। स्किप कर देना मतलब उस चीज को छोड़ देना। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू स्किप काउंटिंग इन 2s। मतलब हम लोग को एक डिजिट लीव करनी है, स्किप करनी है। तो you have to start with 2. Okay? We are going to start with 2. Kids, as you all know, TO means ones and tens. So under ones you have to start because one digit number where you write? One digit number you write under ones and two digit number under tens. So kids, let's start with the second number. Right here 2. Then you have to skip one number. What comes after 2? 3. But this is your skip counting. You have to skip one number. So here what will come after 2? 4. Why kids? Because we have skipped 3 number. Then you have to write 4. Then what comes after 4? 5. But you have to skip 5 number. Then what comes after 5? 6. So write here 6. Kids, we have skipped 5 number. And what comes after 6? 7. 7 you have to skip. And what comes after 7? 8. So here you have to write 8. Okay, what comes after 8? 9. But you have to skip 9 number. Then what comes after 9? 10. So write 1, 0, 10. After this, what comes after 10? 11. But you have to skip 11 number. So what will come after 11? 12. What comes after 12? 13. So kids, you have to skip 13 number. And what comes after 13? 14. So here you have to write 14. What comes after 14? 15. But 15 you have to skip. So what comes after 15? 16. What comes after 16? 17. But 17 you have to skip. So what will come here? 18. What comes after 18? 19. But 19 you have to skip. Then what will come after 19? 20. So kids, like this you all have to complete this exercise by yourself. So kids, let's revise it again. What is the skip counting? In skip counting, you have to skip one number and then you have to write second number. So here we have started from second number. Here we have written 2. Then we have skipped the 3 number. Then 4. After 4 we have skipped 5. Then after 5, 6. After 6 we have skipped 7. After 7, 8. After 8 we have skipped 9. After 9, 10. After 10, 11 we have skipped. After 11 we have written 12. After 12 we have skipped 13. After 13 we have written 14. After 14 we have skipped 15. After 15 we have written 16. After 16 we have skipped 17. After 17 we have written 18. So guys, what will come after 18? 19. 19 we have skipped. After 19, 20 is the answer. So kids, like this you all have to complete skip counting in your notebook. Kids, this is your classwork. After this, turn your page and see. I have given you one homework, that is table of 2. Kids, this skip counting of 2s will help you to write table of 2. So kids, complete your work and thank you. Hey kids, this is your maths oral class. So kids, as you all know that in oral you don't have to write anything in your notebook. You just have to repeat after me. So kids, today in maths oral we are going to learn skip counting in 2s. Skip counting means you have to left one number, you have to leave one digit after the given number. Means here we have written 2. So after 2 you have to leave or skip one number, that is 3. After 3 what will come? 4. After 4 you have to skip one number, that is 5. So after 5 what will come? 6. After 6 you have to skip one number, after that what will come? 8. Because after 6 what will come? 7. So 7 you have to skip. After 7 what will come? 8. After 8 you have to skip one number, that is 9. After 9 what will come? 10. So after 10 you have to skip 11. Then 12. After 12, you have to skip 13. After 13, what will come? 14. So kids, what will come after 14? 15. But 15, you have to skip. What will come after 15? 16. After 16, what will come? 17. But 17, we have skipped. Then what will come? 18. After 18, what will come? 19. But 19, you have to skip. What will come after 19? 20. So here we have written 20. Kids, I hope you have learned what is meant by skip. Skip means you have to leave or you have to left one digit after the given digit. Means after 2, you have to skip 3. You have to leave 3 number. You have to skip it. So like this, you have to learn skip counting in 2. Kids, this skip counting of 2s will help you to learn the table of 2. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your computer oral class. Kids, as you all know, computer is your oral subject. So kids, today in computer, we are going to learn the spelling of monitor. Kids, what is monitor? This is your monitor. In previous class, we have learned the spelling of computer. So kids, what is the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. So kids, today we are going to learn the spelling of monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Repeat after me kids. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Kids, you all have to learn the spelling of monitor and revise the spelling of computer. Kids, this is your monitor. You have to learn the spelling of monitor and learn it, revise it. Thank you.